So, dear friends, welcome back. Let us continue with activity 7.2. So, Vikram is a sole trader who buys and sells goods, the trial balance. So, this is a question from statement of profit or loss. So, we need to prepare a statement of profit or loss. This is David Hopkins' latest book. So, applicable for 2025-26. So, we'll continue. Okay. So, let us just so check out the items whatever are there. So before starting this, so let's have a recap of how the statement of profit or loss is prepared. So first, what are the line items? So statement heading, always we have tried the heading, so always but sometimes it is given in the question paper itself. So anyways, we will just write down statement of profit or loss, whatever the trader's name and the period and all, or year or whatever. So what are the line items? So first one, it is revenue. So revenue is nothing but sales minus sales returns, so minus cost of sales. So cost of sales, so you know what is cost of sales. So opening inventory plus purchases minus purchase returns plus carriage inwards minus closing inventory, so that will give cost of sales. So when we subtract revenue, cost of sales from revenue, we get gross profit. To that gross profit we add other income. So other income is like discount received, interest received, so rent receivable, so all other income which is not other than operating income will come here. So from that we subtract expenses. What are the expenses? Like expenses incurred, which are like salaries, wages, rent, postage and telephone, all those expenses are taken out. So that will give profit or loss. Profit or loss. So in just 5 steps, so very important. So learn this because often the questions are asked in AS level. Lot of questions are asked on income statements. So that's why we have been repeating this concept again and again, like what are the steps and what are the contents. So it's very important. Okay. So now let us just have a look at the question. So carriage inwards. So this is forming cost of sales. This is forming part of cost of sales. So carriage outwards is expenses. So discount allowed is also expense. Discount received is other income. Heat and light expenses. Insurance expenses. Inventory at 1st April 2019. So this is cost of sales. Motor expenses. Purchases, cost of sales. Purchase returns, cost of sales, we have to subtract. So rent and rates, expenses. Sales, revenue. Sales returns, revenue. Wages and salaries, expenses. So inventory at 31st March was valued at 29,143. So this is also cost of sales. So this is how we have to do. Okay, so first, as soon as you see the question, you should visualize where these items will come. So you should visualize where these items will come, so that when you're doing the problem, you should be doing it like a bullet train. So very fast, you should be very fast, because the questions will be very tricky sometimes. They will be very somewhat lengthy. If not one question, some other questions may be very tricky. So that's why you have to be very active. Okay, hyperactive. Otherwise, getting very good grades is not at all possible. Okay. So that is remember this, it's very very important. So now let us continue to so what is there? First, revenue there are two items, so sales and sales returns. So that is what is in revenue. It is sales and sales returns. So how much it is? Sales and sales returns is 354,987. So you need to write this, what is so it is sales. So this is sales returns. So that will give you 354,987. Three five 1,002. Okay, so okay, so let us do it in a proper way, so that I don't want you to follow the same thing when you're writing. So let me just write it again in a proper format. So see, accounting as a subject is a presentation, more concerned about presentation. So all the steps should be as it is. All the steps should be very formal, very neat and clean, so that each and every concept is explained to the examiner. So first of all, we have tried the heading statement of profit or loss. So in the exams they would have given this actually, so it is not so important. Even then, if they are not given, so I am just writing here for your convenience, that's all. So if it is written, you don't have to write it. So first we have to start with revenue. So revenue, under revenue we'll have sales minus sales returns. So this is revenue. Okay, next, always write the dollars currency in, always you have to write, don't forget to write this. So revenue, so on the top if you write, it is applicable for all, so you don't have to write everywhere again. So minus cost of sales. So what all is coming in cost of sales? Purchases. So below that you need to write opening inventory. Okay, don't forget to write opening inventory. Follow, understand, remember by heart, whatever. So always you have to write it in a proper sequence. Okay, so always, so inventory, what they have given here, inventory at 1st April 2019, inventory at 1st April 2019, write the same line item whatever they have written. See, what I advise you is as soon as you see the question, you can try answering the question on your own, and then you can cross check with the solution here, so that you can answer, you can be sure that whatever you have done is right, so that it will increase your confidence, it will boost your confidence, and it will help you prepare for examination with lot of comforts. Okay, so first you try on your own, then only you check this. Don't see this as a movie. or as a video or something like that. So please try to work out the question on your own, and then you have to have a look at this will be more effective. So learning should be more effective. So it should be with fun also, but it should be more effective as well. So try to answer the question on your own, and then you cross check with this solution whether you understood every concept, everything is clear or what. Okay, so inventory at 1st April 2019, 34096. 34096. Okay, then purchases. To that we need to add purchases. So what are the purchases? Purchases 245110. 245110. So from this we need to subtract purchase returns. What is the purchase returns? Purchase returns are exactly reverse of purchases, so 5620. So to this we need to add carriage inwards, because when we purchase we get the goods inside. So by default carriage inwards 2305. So normally these are the line items normally. Okay, purchases minus purchase returns, carriage inwards. So from that we need to subtract inventory on 31st March. Inventory on 31st March 2020, which is given in adjustments. Always closing inventory is given in adjustments, 29143. Always. So put it in bracket so that you don't mess up. Again, lot of students, they mess up doing calculations. If they don't if you don't put the numbers minus or something like this, you will just make wrong calculations, and ultimately the figure will go wrong, so you will lose marks. So very important, 34096 plus 245110 minus 5620 plus 2305 minus 29143. 246748. So the expenses total amount is 246,748. So cost of sales are subtracted, so you put it in bracket again. This minus is for these items. Okay, so don't get confused again. So one 104,254. 104. 254. So this is, what do we call this? This is gross profit, correct? No? So gross profit. So this is gross profit. Okay. So this is gross profit. So this is how it is. So to this we need to add other income. So this is a comprehensive question. So all items have again, this is a very good question for practice. Okay. So this is very good question for practice. Try to practice this to learn the line items, so that all the line items are included in this. So it will be easier for you. So you kindly mark it as important and practice these questions. Often you practice this at least 3 to 4 times you practice, so that the concept is clear, and you so that you don't miss out any line item. So yes, obviously there will be adjustments, lot of adjustments also will be there. So that is another thing, another part, but this is the starting point. So always you have to start with this, then you have to incorporate the adjustments, whatever. So the format is will be the same. So only you have to incorporate the adjustments. Okay. So practice this question. This is very good question because lot of line items are there. Discount allowed. So exhaustive line items are there. So discount received. So this is other income. So this is other income. Discount received 2067. Discount received. So you add this. So this will give you one amount. So we don't know the name of that amount. 2067 106321. So from this we need to take out expenses. So what are the expenses? Carriage outward 1 2 3 4. Discount allowed 1888. Heat and light 3765. Insurance 4760. Motor expenses 5269. Rent and rates 14,400. So that's all. So these are the expenses. Okay. So these are the only expenses, nothing else. So how many line items are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15. Let us just check if you have taken everything. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 line items. Is it correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So what we have left? Rent and rates, carriage inward, carriage outward, discount allowed, discount received, heat and light, 3765. Have you taken heat and light? 10 yes, you have taken 90. Motor expenses 5269. Yes, we have taken motor expenses also. So let us cross check. So let us check line by line item. So how to cross check? Sales, sales, sales return, sales return. So you need to learn even how to cross check sometimes. Okay, so we have to cross check, otherwise simply just for a matter of 1 minute you will lose a lot of marks. Even 1 mark is very is of high importance. So don't be in a hurry, don't try to mess up. So wages and salaries we have taken 67109. Let us just check 67109 wages and salaries. See, we have not taken wages and salaries. Okay, so like this we may get it. So we don't have to, now we don't have to. Okay, so now we don't have to verify because we have already done it. So we found out wages and salaries. There are 15 line items, right? So we have got all the 15 line items. 67109. 67109. So we have taken all the 15 items. So that is how we have to check. Okay, so when we have to cross check, we have to put the ticks like that, and then we have to cross check. So be careful. So 1 2 3 4 plus 1,888 plus 3765 plus 4760 plus 5269 plus 14400 plus 67109 67109 98425. So 984. So when we subtract this from this, 7896. 7896 profit. Okay, this is the answer, 7896. This is how it is. So we have finished activity 7.2. so you can just have a recap, like statement of profit loss. I always write the heading. So revenue, sales minus sales returns. So write the items like this: cost of sales, inventory, purchases, purchase returns, carriage inwards, inventory at the end. So write down everything, then you get one figure. So this minus this will get gross profit. To that you add other income, you will get one value. From that you subtract all the other expenses, so you take out all the expenses, you add all this, you put it here. So because it is minus, you have put it in bracket. This minus this will give profit. This is done. Okay, so this is how it is. So now we can, so this is the end of activity question 7.2. activity 7.2. So we'll catch up in the next class. Till then, have a good day. Goodbye.